Urdu Times is a feature-rich and multilingual news publishing platform. With its highly scalable content management system and user interface, it has the ability to publish news and contents in many popular languages around the world. Urdu Times implements a fine system of advertisements with several options to display advertisements within your website, allowing you to maximize your revenue generation potential out of it. Urdu Times comes packaged with strong backend powered by Drupal, a beautiful web interface and mobile applications for Android phones and iPhones along with tablet and Apple Watch support. Some of the most prominent features of Urdu Times are highly scalable backend support to modify website according to your requirements. Sticky and beautiful interface design for a great user experience. Multilingual support for news and content management. Strong backend powered by Drupal. Manage news and content in several categories and regions. Advertisement model powered by Google DFP to maximize your potential of revenue generation. Mobile applications for Android phones and iPhones. Breaking news alerts management. Editor's Choice section to grab readers' attention towards news of your choice. Social network integration to share news and content on almost all popular social networks. This video will give you a visual experience of these features. This is homepage of Urdu Times. Let's go through its major components one by one. All components can be modified easily by using Admin Panel of Urdu Times. This is main menu. You can add or remove any number of options in this menu. Urdu Times will automatically filter content of all these options and will display them when you click on any of these options. Below main menu is the breaking news ticker. This ticker shows most recent news published by the editor. Number of news scrolling in this bar can be changed from Admin Panel. Below breaking news ticker, you will see the most recent 5 news highlighted for the reader. Behavior of this section can be changed so that the news will not automatically change after a few seconds. You can also change number of news from 5 to any number according to your requirement. Editor's Choice section is helpful if you want to get readers' attention to the content of your choice. You can add any number of news or content in this section. Below Editor's Choice, the most recent 6 news from each category of main menu are displayed. Reader can read more news from any category by clicking on category title. Let's look at the right side of the page. This is space reserved for advertisement. Urdu Times uses Google DFP to run ad campaigns. Google DFP offers a complete toolkit for managing and growing both directly and indirectly sold advertising, including streamlined trafficking, ad delivery, advanced forecasting and granular reporting, inventory management, new web service API, interactive user interface, integrated revenue optimization, and direct access to the advertisers from all over the world. Picture gallery is a way of showing news in form of pictures. We shall see this in details later as we discuss more details of Urdu Times. Below picture gallery, Urdu Times displays content sponsored by Taboola. It is another way of generating revenue. Taboola is the world's leading content discovery platform, serving 200 billion recommendations to over 550 million unique visitors each month on the web's most innovative publisher sites, including NBC, USA Today, The Weather Channel, The Atlantic and Fox Sports. Business Directory displays local business listing, allowing users to easily find business. Weather Update is also available in Urdu Times. Any number of cities can be added from the Admin Panel to this section. You can modify any section in the right side bar easily from Admin Panel. Let's look at the menu items. Urdu Times takes every item in the menu as separate category. These categories are defined using Admin Panel of Urdu Times. You can add or remove any category from this menu easily using Admin Panel. When you click on any category, Urdu Times filter content of that category and displays it on the screen in an appropriate manner. Let's go through the layout design of this screen. Top header and breaking news alert ticker remains there on all screens. Below breaking news ticker, you will see the most recent 5 news of this category. Unlike homepage, news in this section do not change automatically after every few seconds. You can click on any news to open its detail below. You can change number of news in this section from 5 to any number. This is where you find all other news other than the most recent news of this category. You can add any number of news and Urdu Times will automatically create multiple pages for these news. On right side, few more recent news are displayed to keep user engaged in reading more news. Like home page, this page also displays news and picture, tabula content, business directory and weather update along with advertisements. When you click on any news, it opens its details in a new screen. This screen displays complete details of the news. It also displays highlights in case the news is related to some ongoing event like some election campaign, football match or a live concert. You can share news on almost all popular social networks conveniently. Next is news and picture. This screen displays news in form of pictures. This is an interesting way of displaying news. You can add interesting content in form of photos and their details. It encourages users to click on the content by seeing its photo. This screen is similar to the news details screen. When you click on any news in the section, it opens its details below without refreshing the whole page. It allows a great user experience as user does not need to wait for the loading of page for each news. Urdu Times implements search feature allowing you to search news and content by typing in the search bar. Search results appear below in form of a simple and elegant way. With a beautiful and sleek UI design, Urdu Times mobile applications keep you updated with the latest happening around the world on the go. Urdu Times mobile applications for Android phones and iPhone have been designed with the vision of allowing user to read maximum content with the least taps and navigations. Urdu Times mobile applications are user-friendly and consume very low battery backup. After you install Urdu Times mobile application on your phone, you will love to explore features like receive real-time news of the day with breaking news alerts on your phone. News stories are divided in categories which makes it easy to find news of your interest. Get news stories from your own city and country. Urdu Times uses GPS to identify your current location and delivers news of your area. Sign up with Urdu Times to participate in discussions by posting comments and liking news. Shake your phone to like any news, iPhone only. Share news on Facebook and Twitter. Bookmark news to read them later.